Setting up your virtual classroom, a guide to Google Classroom. Google Classroom simplifies online learning management, and here's how to set up your virtual classroom in a minute. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to classroom.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, ideally your school account. The opening screen prompts you to choose your role, so if you're an educator, select Create Class to get started. Building your classroom, first of all, there's the class name, optional details like the section, subject, and room. And after that, you can click on Create, and your virtual classroom is ready. To invite your students, there are two ways. First of all, individual invites. You can click on People and choose Invite Students, enter student email addresses and click Invite. Or you can have a class code. You can share the unique class code displayed on the People tab, so students can use this code to join your classroom on their devices. You can add content and activities to post announcements, create assignments, and facilitate discussions. And there is grading on the go. Seamlessly grade assignments submitted through Classroom by providing feedback and tracking student progress efficiently. Thanks for watching, everyone.